How to fix Battlegrounds keeps crashing on Windows 10. Here are some tips that may help you with the Battlegrounds crashing issue on your Windows 10 PC. Note, you better review the minimum Battlegrounds system requirements for Windows. Now, try the following steps. 1. Reset your computer, then re-update your system and then try running the game again. Note, back up your personal stuff first. 2. Shut down all other programs except PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. Hint, this step will make your computer use up less memory. 3. Run the Steam client under Administrator. 4. Checking integrity. To do so, run Steam-Library-PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, right-click-select Properties-select the Local Files tab-select Game Integrity Check. 5. Reach out to Battlegrounds Player Support Team via the latest System Information File, misinfo32. If the above solutions haven't worked, please reach out to our Player Support Team.